Wait, promise me you'll watch the inside.
It's a rainbow secret.
We're making these from scratch, perfect and clean.
Look, pastel rainbow inside.
And now we'll show every step, so yours looks exactly like this. Good news! These are simple cupcake ingredients, but we make them magical. Soft pastel colors and the cleanest swirl. Line the pan. 12 cups, nice and neat.
12 unicorns incoming.
And this star tip makes the swirl pop. Dry bowl first. Whisk it smooth and even.
No lumps allowed.
This keeps cupcakes light and fluffy. Wet bowl. Eggs. Milk. Vanilla. Melted butter.
Silky, not splashy.
Now we combine. Gently. Hold until just smooth. Don't overmix.
Overmix equals sad cupcakes.
Look at that ribbon. Perfect. Soft pastel colors. Creamy and calm.
Pink, peach, mint, lavender.
Stir until the color is perfectly even. This is our unicorn batter magic. Tiny scoops, one color at a time. Little rainbow layers. That's how you get rainbow inside. All 12 are filled, nice and even.
12 tiny rainbows.
Okay, now we bake. Into the oven. Careful and steady. Hot zone. Now we watch them rise. Look, they're puffing up. Cool cupcakes first. Thin frosting.
Cloud soft frosting only.
Whip until it's light and silky.
So pretty.
Hey, Mail, faster.
Now the swirl trick.
Slow and steady, tall and clean. Ready for the unicorn face. Hi. Horn, ears, and sparkle.
Sprinkle tornado.
Okay, now they're alive. Rainbow inside, just like we promised. Unicorn approved. Subscribe to Mimi and Coco Bake for more baking magic.